Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to log in your Roblox account on your MetaQuest 3. So at first, just take out the navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar is out, go on the store and go in the search bar and type Roblox and download it for your MetaQuest 3. And after you download it, just open your library and search for Roblox and go inside the Roblox, selecting it with the trigger button on your controller. And as the game opens, the first page is the login page, and all you have to do is just go in the login option and select it with the trigger button on your controller and just fill out the details and log in to your account on your MetaQuest 3. So guys, that's how you log in the Roblox account on your MetaQuest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.